fall softly on my shoulders. The sunlight breathes a cool sigh. Someday I too, like those trees, will let go of my remaining green. The light of youth is fading away, yet its embers still warm my heart. A fragment of longing drifts through the air and rests upon the road I have walked. Now I stand at the edge of autumn. The wind remembers my name and calls. Green memories slowly turn to gold, piling within me as tender recollections. Passion cools and friends drift away, only traces of tears and laughter remain. Yet for that I am truly thankful, for that was my truest self. Time has carved and shaped me into something like a graceful statue. I no longer fear being worn away. I simply flow like a pebble down the street. Now I stand at the edge of autumn. The wind remembers my name and calls. Green memories slowly turn to gold, patterned within me as tender recollections. The golden autumn whispers to me, your face too is made of